Today, I'm going to show you how to make guides in CapCut PC, a simple but super effective way to get perfect alignment in all your video edits. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up guides and rulers, making your workflow smoother and your projects look even more professional. If you've ever wished that CapCut had more precise tools for layouts and spacing, this feature is absolutely for you. So let's jump right in and get your workspace set up for success. First, let's talk about where to find the guides feature. When you're editing in CapCut on your PC, look at the preview window, the area where you see your video playback. In the upper corner, you'll spot a three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click that. Don't worry if it takes a second to find. These small icons can blend in, but once you know where it is, it's easy. Inside the three-dot menu, find the option labeled Guides and Rulers. Click on this to open up a set of tools that will really boost your editing precision. I love this step because it almost feels like unlocking a secret pro feature that's been quietly sitting there the whole time. Once you're in, you'll see the setting for Enable Rulers. Select this, and you'll notice rulers appear, one along the top edge and one along the left side of your preview window. These rulers act just like measuring tapes, helping you see exactly where things are in your video frame. If you've ever adjusted images in PowerPoint or Photoshop using rulers, it's a similar idea. They give you a reference for lining up text, images, or any overlays right where you want them. Now for the part where things get hands-on. To create a new guideline, move your cursor up to one of these rulers. If you want a horizontal guide, use the top ruler. For vertical, use the side. Simply click on the ruler and drag your cursor toward the preview window. As you drag, a guideline appears that you can position anywhere across the frame. This lets you set exact boundaries or center points, which is especially handy if you're placing multiple elements and want everything to look uniform. For instance, if you're making a title sequence or lining up a logo, using guides ensures nothing's crooked or uneven, which viewers definitely notice. You're not limited to just one guide. You can add as many horizontal or vertical guides as you need. This flexibility is great for more complex layouts. If you want symmetry or a grid for dividing up your video, keep dragging new guides into position. It might take a few tries to get your guides exactly where you want them, and that's totally normal. Just click and drag again if you want to move one. CapCut makes it easy to adjust. Remember, these guides don't appear in your final video. They're just there to help you while you work, like invisible helpers keeping everything tidy behind the scenes. By getting comfortable with guides, you're setting yourself up for consistently polished results. Whether you're working on YouTube intros, TikTok edits, or professional presentations, these little lines can make a huge difference. So that's all it takes to make guides in CapCut PC. I hope this helps you organize your projects and make your edits really stand out. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, maybe you're running into something I didn't cover, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure to subscribe for more practical CapCut tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.